Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're having an issue if Adobe Acrobat Reader cannot print PDF files on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. So we're going to start by selecting the Edit tab up at the top, and then you want to select Preferences at the bottom. On the left side, you want to select Security Enhanced, and now you want to uncheck where it says on the right side, Enable Protected Mode at Startup. So just go ahead and uncheck that, select Yes, select OK, and then you'd have to close out of the Adobe Reader application at this point, and then hopefully once you have relaunched it, it should resolve the problem. And once you're done printing that one item, I would recommend maybe turning it back on, but it shouldn't be a requirement though, either way. But pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.